Dear students, आज एक बार फिर ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੰਟੀਗ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇੰਟੀਗਰਲ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਐਂਡ ਹੇਅਰ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ alternate method of converting an initial value problem into Volterra's integral equation. So last time we see that one method is there and another method we want to check here. So myself is Dr. Amanpreet Singh, PG Department of Mathematics, Khalsa College, Patiala. For this we required a formula which is how we use multiple integral to single integral, how we convert multiple integral to single integral. So just see a to x integral y t dt raised to the power n. This means this is the integration nth order integration. So we convert into a single order integration. A to x minus t raised to the power n minus 1 over n minus 1 factorial y t dt. Students are very familiar with this formula as we used this formula so many times previously. So here the article is alternative method of converting an initial value problem into a Volterra's integral equation. So consider the ordinary differential equation, ordinary linear differential equation of order n, d n y over dx raised to the power n plus a1x d n minus 1 y over dx raised to the power n minus 1 plus a2x d n minus 2 y over dx raised to the power n minus 2 and so on, a n x y is equal to phi x. With the initial condition that y a is equal to q naught, y dash a is equal to q1, y double dash a is equal to q naught 2 and so on, y n minus 1 a is equal to q n minus 1, where the function a1 x, a2 x and so on, a n x and phi x are defined and continues in a less than x is less than equal to b in this interval a to b. So here initial value problem and the initial point is a. So student must be careful. In order to reduce this initial value problem to Volterra's integral equation, we introduce an unknown function ux. Thus we take, this is our fundamental part of this lecture, that we take the nth derivative of y with respect to x is equal to ux. Student, in numerical question, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ numerical ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ highest order ਵਾਲੇ ਨੂੰ ux ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ, but ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹਾਇਰ ਆਰਡਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ux ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ. ਨੂਮੈਰੀਕਲ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਬਲ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਾਈਐਸਟ ਆਰਡਰ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਟੇਕ ਇਟ ਐਜ਼ an integration both side with respect to x from a to x. A is initial value. If it is 0, then we take 0 to x. So this is a to x. When we take integration, this nth derivative becomes n minus 1 derivative a to x ux dx. And here we use fundamental theorem of calculus and we put first yx and then we put a. So this is our fundamental theorem of calculus, and a to x ux dx, and the value of this y n minus 1 a is q n minus 1. So I replace this q n minus 1 and shift to this side. So I got this one, and again integration. So I got this one and I change x with t. If ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਹੈ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟ ਇੰਟੀਗਰਲ ਦੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਟੀ 'ਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਅਗੇਨ ਇੰਟੀਗ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਟੂ ਐਕਸ ਫਰਮ a to x, and again we got ਇੱਥੇ n-2 ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ n-1 ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ n-2 ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਔਰ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਇਸ ਸਾਈਡ ਵੀ. a to x ux ਇੱਥੇ ਡਬਲ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਟਿਵ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਡਬਲ ਇੰਟੀਗਰਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਔਰ qn-1 ਕਾਂਸਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ, ਸੋ qn-1 ਐਜ਼ ਸੱਚ a to x dx. Now come to the fundamental theorem, and we have yn minus 2a. Yn minus 2a is qn minus 2, so I shift to this side and this remain integral, this remain as such. But here just see, I convert x to t and I apply the formula which we have written in the first slide, that we convert this integral multiple double integral into single integral. And similarly we have again integration both sides. So again integration both sides, we got this, again integration, and this is our next substitution by fundamental theorem. So just see students, ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ sequence ਦੇ type ਦੀ ਬਣ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ, a to x ux dx cube plus qn minus 1 x minus a raised to the power 2 by 2 factorial qn minus 2 x minus a over 1 factorial into qn minus 3. next time ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ 4 ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਇੱਥੇ cube by 3 factorial ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, 2 बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल हो जाएगा, इतने x माइनस ए नाल आ जाएगा और क्यू एन माइनस 4 आ जाएगा। सो आई कन्वर्ट x विद टी, वो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ है ही ऑलरेडी, और इनू असी हुण कन्वर्ट करन लगे हाँ। कन्वर्ट काहदे च करन लगे हाँ, ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल नू असी सिंगल इंटीग्रल च चेंज करन लगे हाँ। दैट इज x माइनस टी, वही फार्मूला जिहड़ा असी फस्ट स्लाइड दे उत्ते देखिया सी। सो आई टेक दिस एज, then come to and so on. Finally we arrive this as I said here, and this again integral we got this. ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ, ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, y dy by dx is equal to this, and when we integrate both sides, so we got y, and here y and from a to x and a to x from this side also. So a values ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਇਹ by sequence of above result we got this value, and y naught a is equal to q naught. So I put all these values here with the name a naught, a1, an minus 3, an minus 2, and last first one is an. So multiplying an minus 1, a1 and so a naught with 1, a1x, a2x, an minus 1x, nx respectively, and adding. So just see, I multiply and now I add. Adding we got ux plus qn minus 1 a1x, qn minus 2 a2x, and this one plus q naught a q1 x minus a, and so on with multiple of an, and this integral sign over with a1x plus x minus t into a2x plus x minus t square by 2 factorial, and so on. So I take this as phi x, this as ux, and this as remaining up to here it's phi x, and this is the integral. Kxt is a kernel is from here to here, and ut dt as such. So just see phi x, what I take phi x, psi x, and what I take kxt is kernel, I take here with negative sign because this is here it is positive, so I take negative and negative, it becomes positive, and phi x minus psi x is equal to ux. So phi x minus ux plus a2x kxt ut, it becomes the ux this side, it becomes the phi x minus psi x. Phi x minus psi x is the ux, fx is the plus a2x kxt ut. So this is our integral Volterra's integral equation. This is our Volterra's integral equation. So now come to the next one. Next is we have some examples. So first example is form an integral equation corresponding to the differential equation y double dash plus x into y dash x plus y is equal to 0 with the initial condition y0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So student, be very careful here. A is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 0. We will find the value of double derivative, single derivative, and y, and put it here. We got integral equation. This is differential equation. We convert it into integral equation, and that integral equation is Volterra's the integral equation. So see, given differential equation is subject to condition with the initial condition, integration from 0 to x. So first I take y double dash x is equal to ux, y double dash x is equal to ux. So here y double dash x is equal to ux, and integration both side dy by dx. So double derivative becomes single derivative from 0 to x, 0 to x ux dx. So by substituting x we got dy by dx, by substituting 0 we got y dash 0, 0 to x ux dx. So dy by dx is equal to 0 to x ux dx as y dash 0 is equal to 0. So I got first answer, that is dy by dx. So I replace it here also, and then again integration with respect to x from 0 to x we have integration from here we got yx from 0 to x, so yx minus y0, 0 to x ux dx square. Why? Because it's a multiple integral. So y 0 is equal to 1, so I put replace value here, and x with t. So why we replace x with the t? Because we apply the formula which is written in the first slide. So yx is equal to 1 plus and it's a square, so x minus t raised to the power 1 over 1 factorial ut dt. So I got yx, I got dy by dx, I have y double dash as ux, so all these value I replace here. So this y double dash x as ux plus x into dy by dx as this, and y as 1 plus 0 to x minus t dt. So on simplification, ux plus 0 to x I take common. So when I take common, it becomes x plus x minus t ut. So x plus x is 2x, so which is our required integral equation. Required integral equation, and this equation is Volterra's equation because its limit is variable. So student, this is our required Volterra's integral equation of second kind. Now come to another question. Form an integral equation corresponding to the differential equation. This is the second order differential equation. And here y0, initial value is 0, a is equal to 0, and y0 is equal to 1, and y dash 0 is equal to minus 1. So given equation is this. So first step is always this: double derivative is equal to ux. In the previous question, in the previous article, so we take double derivative is equal to ux. This is the alternate method. So on integration we got this, and dy by dx minus y0 is equal to 0 to x dx, and dy by dx is equal to, yes, dy by dx, because I put value of y dash 0 is equal to minus 1. So it becomes plus 1 this side, and this is a minus 1 this side. So this is our first result which we use and substitute here. So initial one, double derivative is equal to ux, first derivative is equal to this, and again integration. So again integration both sides from x to x, 0 to x. So dy by dx becomes 0 to x, and minus 1 becomes x, and ux becomes 0 to x ux dx square. So again by fundamental theorem of integral calculus, yx minus y0 is equal to minus x, 0 remain as such, plus 0 to x ut dt square. So y0 is nothing else, it's 1, so I put 1 here. So 1 and shift to this side. So when we shift to this side, this is minus 1 plus 1 minus x, and this is ut dt square. So double integral is converted into single integral, and the conversion is formula is written in the first slide. So we use that 0 to x minus t ut. So I got yx, I got dy by dx, I got d2y by dx square. All these value I put in the given equation when I substitute ux minus sin x into dy by dx, that is minus 1 plus 0 to x ut dt plus e raised to the power x, and this is a yx is equal to x. When we simplify it, so this is x plus sin x e raised to the power x into 1 minus x, and integral sign we take as such. So integral sign we take as such, and this becomes our required Volterra's second kind integral equation. So I hope student will understand this. Only 2-3 steps is there. First we take this double derivative is equal to ux, integration both side, and find the value of dy by dx, again integration both side, and we get value of yx. All these values substitute here, so we convert differential equation into Volterra's second order integral equation. So the formula which we use is first one is integration both side with respect to x, and second the multiple integral convert into single integral. So student, this is the exercise which I written answer with answer. So first question, double derivative is equal to ux. Second question, put ux, y dash x is equal to ux. Again double derivative is equal to all these questions. So all these questions having similar way to prove it. If you find any difficulty, then you can consult me anytime. I will solve all the questions if any problem is there. So thank you.